Hey, welcome to a series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. In our previous video, we have seen about arithmetic operators. In this video, we will see about relational operators and what are all the different relational operators we are having and how they works. Relation operator, when we consider it used to identify the relationship between two or more values. So how exactly this works? Let us go and understand. In Python, we have these many relational operators. One is equals, one is not equals to, and greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than or equal to. We will go each and every relational operator and understand how they works. Let's say, let us start with equals to. Let's say I have this 2 and this is equal to, let's say 3. That is false. So it is determining the relationship between these two values is false of I am comparing with equal to. Right, that is right, that is true, that is false. These are not equal. So let's say I wanted to compare these two. So I am getting result 2. So by using this equal to symbol, these two double equal to symbol, we can determine two values are equal or not. Let's go ahead and see not equal to. Let's say I am using 2 is not equal to 3. Yes, I am getting true. So let's go ahead and see one more example. 2 is not 2 is not equal to 2. That is false. 2 is not equal to 2 is false. 2 is equal to 2. So let's go ahead and see the examples of one after the other. 2 is greater than 3. That is false. Actually, 3 is greater than 2. This is true. Like this, we will be getting true values and false values to determine the relationship between them. Let's say I am going to 2 is greater than 3, which is a false, because I need to give 2 is greater than 2, because either one of is true, either 2 is greater than equal 2 is equal to 2, or 3 is greater than or equal to 2. At the time I will be getting true. So 3 is greater than 2, because of that reason I am getting true here. Here 2 is equal to true, I am getting the answer as true. Let's say I have 2 is less than or equal to 3, which is of true, because 2 is less than 3. Let's say I am giving 2 is less than or equal to 2. This is also true, because 2 is less than 2 is equal to 2. Let's say I am giving 3 is less than or equal to true. I will be getting false, and I am getting false because 3 is neither less than or less than 2 or nor equal to 2. Because of that reason I am getting this result as false. Till now what we have seen about basic things. Now we will go ahead and see some more advanced things, or so considering as ordered sequences and unordered sequences. Let's say I am having this string. I am having this string of ABC. Can I compare this string with an integer value? Let's say, is this less than let's say 5? I will be getting an error. I am getting an error. Less than is not supported operator between the instances of str and int. So what I need to do in this kind of situations is that either I need to convert this string into integer, or I need to convert this integer to string. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to convert this integer to string. So when I consider this, I am getting as false, because this value, whatever the values that I am taking ABC, is less than this 5. So not only this 5, if you take any value, this still considered it as false, because string is having more value than compared to this whatever the value that we are considering here. Because of that reason it is giving as false. So that is one thing that we need to understand. Let's go ahead and see ordered sequences. Let's say I have this string of a b c, and also I am having one more string, let's say a b d. So these two are equal. No, these two are not equal. C is differing in here. Let's say I will be taking one more example of A, B, C, which is I will take this operator of less than operator. Let's say I am considering B here. So what I am getting is true, because it was string is considered with each index's values, right? So Here the first index is checking with this index, one index of first index, which is of 0. Here I am giving A, here I am giving B, because A is less than B. Because of that reason, ABC is less than B. I am getting the answer as true. Right, fair enough, right? So let me give this example of ABC, which let us start with BC itself, and I am giving AB here. So guess what? I am getting true or false? I am getting false because the first index of B is of high than A. Because of that reason, I am getting false here. Now, I hope you have understood how this works with a string type. Let's go ahead and see in, let's say, list type. So I am having this list 1 of 1, 2, 3, and I also having this list of let's say 1, 2, 4. Let's go ahead and compare these two. Let's say string list 1 is equal to list 2. False, because these are not equal, because the last index 3 and 4 not equal. Because of that reason, I am getting these results. Let's say if I change this to 3, can I get true now? Yes, I am getting true. Let's say in the list, in the second list, I am converting this 1 to, let's say, 2. Can I get, I am, and also I am converting, I am changing this operator equal to 2 less than. So what I'm doing here is that I am comparing list 1 is less than list 2. If you carefully observe this first index, we have 1 here, we have 2 here. This 1 is less than this 2, so I am expecting this to be written true. So that's correct. I am getting the return as false. True. Let's say I am keeping this 2 as it is, and here I will be changing 3 to 2, 3, 2 to 3. Now I am checking this. So in the first index of list, I am getting 1. That is not, we don't have any problem with that. But if you consider the second index, what I am getting is that I have 3 in my first list and I am having 2 in my second list. When I do this less than operation, so 3 is less than 2, right? So 3 is less than 2, which is a false. So I need to get false here. So I am getting false. So by this, I hope you have understood how exactly this operation, logical relational operators works with list. So based on these indexes values, we are actually estimating either that both are equal, both are not equal, both are less than, both are greater than, and all of those stuff, right? So if I am giving in equal to here also, I am getting false. If I change this to 2, I can get true because list 1 is equal to 2. Like this, we can do all kind of relation operators with the list. So let us consider with tuple. And tuple also as same as the list, so we don't have to worry about tuple. These are the order sequences. What we have seen so far is list, tuple, and string. So let's go ahead and see some of the unordered collections. So let's say set and dictionary. So does they support these kind of operations? So let's see. I have this set 1 of, let's say, 2, 4, 6, and I also having this set 2, let's say 1, 2, and 4, let's say 6 here. So if I consider set 1 equal to set 2, I am getting false because the set 1 is not equal to set 2. The elements are different. So if I consider set 1 is less than set 2, I assume I need to get true, because if we consider the same index, if you consider the indexes, right? So set 2 having this index of 2, set 1 having the index of set 1, the first index having 2, and set 2 first index having 1. But what you need to know and understand is that set does not follow order. It does not allow indexing. Let's say because of that reason, I am getting something like this. So that is how this works. Let's say in here, I have more number of elements, let's say 5. If I check this, I am getting the value something like this. If I go and check greater, set 1 is greater than set 2, I am getting false. So this this is how this works, because this is some kind of a like misunderstanding, so not clearly understood, because set does not follow any type of indexing. Because of that reason we are getting this kind of result. So that is how about the set. Let us go ahead and understand dictionary. I have this dictionary one, which is of I have one of a one key, and the value on this key is a, and I also having this key 2 and having the value of b, and I also having dictionary 2. I will be taking of key 2 and the value I will be taking of a, and the key 3 and the value I will be taking is c. So if I go and check dictionary 1 equal to dictionary 2, I am getting false because these are not equal, right? So if I consider dictionary is less than dictionary 2, so because I am getting not supported between instances of dictionary and dictionary, which is telling that we cannot do these operations in between dictionaries. So let's go ahead and see some more thing. And here also it is not supported greater than symbol. And let's check less than or equal to, can I get, and I am not getting, and I am checking greater than or equal to, still I am not getting. By this you can able to understand that you cannot actually do all kind of relation operators between dictionaries. You can only do one operator, that is of equal to. Let's go ahead and see it is not equal to. This is working and this is also working. You can only compare two dictionaries whether they are equal or they are not equal. This is about relation operators, to what we have seen so far. To summarize, I will go to the top. These are the different dictionary. These are all the different relation operators. We have equals, not equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. We have seen all these basic examples. And going ahead, we have seen different data types comparison with relation operators. And going further, we have seen this ordered collections, string, list, and we have string, list and tuple both are similar. We have seen we don't see in tuple, and we have come to this unordered collections. In here we have seen this set and we have seen this dictionary. So that is about this video. I hope you have understood all these things. If you don't understand, so I suggest you to go through the video again so you can able to understand. So that's it for this video. If you find this video interesting, hit the like button and subscribe for more, and see you in the next video. Thank you.